Welcome. The other day, I told you that you will be able to earn close to $400 on a monthly basis, and this is the daily breakdown, okay, where you will be able to earn up to $19 on a daily basis, 100% passive, 100% hands-free, 100% automated. Okay, you do not need to refer anybody to earn this money. This money you are looking at, $19 on a daily basis, is automated without referral. As long as you have purchased the right real estate, you will be able to earn this money. Okay, I showed you my back office the other day where I did a video for $400 on a monthly basis. This is a combination of that video as well, or part of that video, as you wish to call it. Okay, so if I go to my back office, on your back office, click on dashboard, make sure you are on your dashboard, and then go to view assets. When I go to view assets, I scroll down here to the tokenized real estate I have purchased, and I click on icon there, and that will now open up my profit history. And of course, you will see all the profit that is being deposited into my account for just one single real estate. Okay, so that will give me $19, $18, $19, $18, $17. You can see that there is nothing here that is less than $17. $17 and above on daily basis. Okay, Mondays to Fridays. As I said before, there are no earnings on Saturdays and Sundays. It's only Monday to Friday, and this is actually possible. So you have seen my back office many times, of course, in all my videos, but of course I just need to show you the opportunity that you have right here in front of you that can make you some money on a monthly and a weekly basis, hands-free, 100% automated. Nothing for you to do other than register with the link below this video description, select your property that you want to purchase. For example, if I select houses, the houses will give me $480 minimum to purchase a fraction of this, and then I will now go ahead and purchase a fraction of this. Of course, it's going to tell you how much you will be earning on a monthly basis, but of course this is just the minimum. You can purchase more than the minimum. As I said all the time, do not purchase just the minimum. Try to purchase more than the minimum so that you will be able to earn more on that particular property. If you choose not to do the houses, you can do the Miami villa, which will only start with $10. But of course, if you start with $10, how much are you expected to be earning on a daily basis? It won't be that much. So even though the platform says start with $10, I do not recommend you start with $10. I recommend you start with at least the next available apartment, which is the one in Seattle, the one that you can start with at least $117 and above. If you don't want to do all these ones that are below 100, if you want to go to thousands and thousands of dollars worth of tokenized real estate, you should select villa. So if you select villa, this is minimum $3,120, and you will see that what you are going to be earning approximately on a daily basis is $19. Okay, so it's between $17, $18, $19 on a daily basis. And of course, in a month, that will give you close to $400. I will round it up to $400, and you will be able to break even as well in your 7th month. So guys, this is a great opportunity for anybody looking for passive income in the real estate. Please don't hesitate to sign up with the link below this video description, because this is what is legit that we are able to withdraw on a daily basis as well. Okay, if you make money in this platform, if you apply to withdraw your money on a daily basis, if you wish to withdraw on a daily basis, you will get your withdrawal process within 24 hours. Sometimes it's even less than 30 minutes. You will get your withdrawal processed and the money will be in your account. If you wish not to withdraw daily, if you wish to withdraw weekly, let's say every Friday, you want to take some money out, you can also do that. If you don't want to take money out every Friday, let's say you want to leave it for every month so that you will be able to withdraw huge sum of money every month, and then you will use that to, sort yourself out financially, sort your bills out, do whatever you want to do with it, then you are more than welcome to also wait till end of the month to get your profit withdrawn. Now, remember that whatever the case may be, you have the opportunity and the privilege to withdraw every day. As long as you can make more than $1 on a daily basis, you will be able to withdraw that money. So yes, this is very, very possible with e-estate because the tools are there for you, and the real estate is already there. Everything has been done for you. You can track and trace all your transactions on the blockchain. And let me quickly show you that, because I don't want to be saying something that I can't show you. So if I go to dashboard, go back to view assets, and then go to my asset, and then if I click on this icon there, that will take me to the blockchain, and then you can see that look at that, over 10 million worth of real estate has been purchased so far, and you have all the holders is over 4,000 people that are holding fraction of this real estate. Okay, so you can of course track and trace your investment online in this platform. So guys, for you to sign up, you will need a link, and my link is below this video description. You will also need to watch the how to get started video, and step by step how to deposit, and how to complete your KYC, and then of course how to purchase your real estate. All the videos, all the step by step instructions are below this video description. I have done everything for you. All you need to do is to commit to signing up and commit to investing about $3,120. That is what is giving me $19 on a daily basis. And remember that this is going to go on for a very long time, so it's not something that is going to last for only 2 months or 3 months or something like that. The e-estate has been over 1 year now. They just celebrated over 1 year anniversary. They just celebrated their 1 year anniversary, and this is a long-term investment platform. Just so you know, you are not looking for a platform that is going to run away with your money tomorrow. E-estate is not like that, right? You are here to stay permanently and earn permanently, consistently, for as long as blockchain remains in existence. So guys, if you fancy to join my team, the link to do so is below this video description. I will leave that to you to decide how much you want to start with. Earlier, I told you can start with $10. If you don't have the thousands of dollars to start, just get yourself into the platform with your $10, and then later on, you can add more money and purchase more fractional real estate if you wish to do so. Otherwise, thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.